if you have more than one Toon Boom Storyboard Pro projects, then you can combine them to become one single project as well. So to do that, you need to go to the file menu right here. And once you go around onto the file menu, you need to go to project management. And over here, you can see MERS is an option. So once you go around into MERS, you can see it says the project must be saved before the merging with projects actually take into effect. So I'm just going to go around and say yes right here, just like this, and it'll be saved out. So now what you need to do is you need to import projects. So once you go around onto projects on my desktop, you can see that I have part 1 right here, which is one project right here. So this is one project storyboard, project of storyboard right here. So I'm just going to open that out, and over here you can see that this is what you have. You have part 1 right here. I'm going to go around and click on import project and then go to another folder right here where I have my part 2. So this does not necessarily have to be part 1 or part 2. It can be two completely separate projects as well. But you can see that now I got the current file. You got part 1, part 2, and you can rearrange this out as well. So let's say I want to keep part 1 at the beginning. You can do that over here as well. You can move up, move down, remove out the project if you're not sure that you need to actually add that in, and so forth. You can also go around and force the scene numbering, so it restarts the numbering and will not get confusing right here. You can also create new audio tracks if you want to right here for the projects. So once you're okay with all of the settings, press OK, and what happens is that all of the MERS will be completed successfully, as you can see. So this is the part 1, as you can see, and this is the current frame that we have right here for this particular project, and which was blank to begin with. And over here you can see that there's the scenes from part 2 right here, and now you can see that this is a one single project, and now you can start working around with this as a single project. So especially when you are collecting out different projects from different artists, this is quite helpful to merge it out onto a single project and then give around a final touch to the storyboard project right here. So that is how you can work around with Toon Boom Storyboard Pro and merge out multiple project files. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.